Hey friends, this is Adrika Bhadauria from Extra Code YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a zip file using Python. So friends, here I have a folder named background. Okay, there are 5 images as you can see. I want to create a zip file which consists of these 5 images. So how can I do it with Python? So let's get started. So friends, first I will import shutil module. Okay, those who don't know, let me tell you that shutil is used to work on directories and files. Okay, so here first I will define a function. So let's write create zip. Okay, here I will pass a parameter directory. Okay, and then here we will write shutil dot make archive. Okay, now here first we will pass the name we want to have for our zip file. So directory. Okay, as it will be a zip file, we will write zip, and then we will give the path where we want our zip file to be created. So let's give it directory only, so that it can make the zip file in that folder only. Okay, so here now we will call our function. So create zip, we will pass the path. So let's copy the path, and the path will be raw. So here we will write R, and then we will paste the path. Okay guys, so that's it. Let's run our program. Okay, so here's our background folder, and here's the zip file. So when we will open it, as you can see, it consists of 5 images which are here in the background. You can check the names, right? So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try my best to answer you. See you soon in my next video guys. Bye bye.